Charvi, can you tell me 5 tips for improving English?
The first tip is read conversations loudly. Read one conversation 5 times loudly. Read one or two conversations every day. This will help your mind speak English easily. The second tip is try to speaking in real situation. Every day make a few phone calls in English. Read ads in the newspaper. Call somewhere just to get information. At first, write your sentences on paper and try to remember them. This will help you stop feeling shy. The third tip is try to speaking with your friends and family, and if you can't speak a lot, you can say a few sentences. This will help you more confident. Fourth tip is write a short paragraph on any topic. Practice the same paragraph at least 10 times. Read it loudly in front of mirror, or you can record a video. This will help your tongue tuning to English. The fifth tip is write a 10 questions every day. If you can make a questions easily, you can speak English, or you can talk to others with confidence. Thank you.